Hello everyone. Today we are going to see our chapter 2 exercise 2.1. Right? This is our new chapter. Today we are going to start fractions and decimals. Right? What is meant by fraction? The ratio of two integers that is in the form of p by q such that q is not equal to 0. See one example. 3 by 5, 7 by 2, 1 by 3. It should be in the ratio that q, the denominator should not equal to 0. Here in a fraction 3 by 5, 3 is a numerator and 5 is a denominator. This is known as fraction. The next, it is having proper fraction and improper fraction. First we will see what is meant by proper fraction. If the numerator is less than the denominator, we know that the upper part is numerator and the lower part is denominator. If the numerator is less than the denominator, see 1 by 3, 1 is less than 3. This is proper fraction. Improper fraction means the numerator greater than or equal to the denominator. Okay, find some examples for improper fraction. Proper fraction means numerator is less than denominator, and improper fraction means numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator. That is improper fraction. Because in our exercise we are going to see the proper and improper fractions related problems, right? So next, here exercise 2.1, first problem, solve 2 minus 3 by 5. See 2, how can we write 2 by 1? Minus 3 by 5. See, the denominator are different. If the denominator are same, then only we can add or subtract. Here that is different, so find the LCM of 1 and 5. The LCM of 1 and 5 is 5. Now we have to change. So 2 by 1 into, we have to multiply 5 with the denominator, then only it becomes 5. So by 5 by 5, 10 by 5. Next 3 by 5 into 1 by 1 will gives you 3 by 5. Now we can subtract 10 by 5 minus 3 by 5, the denominators are same. We made it same. So 10 minus 3, 7 by 5. Is it clear? The first thing, we have to check the denominator, then change the denominator as equal number, then we can subtract or add. Your second question, 4 plus 7 by 8. The same thing we are going to do. 4 can be written as 4 by 1 plus 7 by 8. Find the LCM of 1, 8. With any number, we are going to find the LCM with 1 means the LCM is 8, the same number. So 4 by 1 into 8 by 8, 32 by 8, 7 by 8 into 1 by 1, which is 7 by 8. So 32 by 8 plus 7 by 8 will give you 39 by 8. Then mixed fraction, you know. First divide 39 by 8. What we will get? 4 8s are 32. What is the remaining? 7. That is the thing we put as a mixed fraction. 4 into 8, 32 plus 7. Put the remainder in that numerator. Is it clear? Next, your third subdivision. 3 by 5 plus 2 by 7. As usual, see the denominators. Denominators are different. So first find the LCM of the denominator. So LCM of 5 and 7 will give you 35. So 3 by 5 into, we have to multiply 7 with 5. Then only we can get 35. So 3 into 7, 27, 21. 5 into 7, 35. Next 2 by 7 into 5 by 5, which gives 5 into 2, 10. 7 into 5, 35. Now we can add 21 plus 30, 10 will gives you 31 by 35. Next 7 by 10 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 2. The same thing, here we are having 3 terms. So find the LCM of 10, 5 and 2. We know how to find the LCM. First we found the fifth with the help of fifth table. Next the second table. So what is the LCM? LCM is 5 into 2 will gives you 10. Is it clear? We find the LCM of 10, 5, 2 is 10. So now next step what we have to do? We have to change all the denominators as 10. This is the thing we are going to do. So 7 by 10, first fraction, into, see the denominator already is in 10. So multiply with 1 by 1. Next 2 by 5. See 5 into 2 will gives you 10. So 2 by 2. 2 into 2, 4, 5 into 2, 10. Likewise 3 by 2 into 5 by 5, 15 by 10. So the denominators are same. Now we can add 7 by 10 plus 4 by 10 plus 15 by 10 will gives you 26 by 10. How can we divide 26 by 10? 5 2s are 10, 13 2s are 26. So 13 by 5. You know how to make the mixed fraction. Divide 13 by 5. Put the quotient in the side and the remainder in the numerator. Is it clear? Because 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 3 13. Like that only we have to form the mixed fraction. Next, your sixth problem. They are given in a mixed fraction. 2 into 2 by 3 plus 3 into 1 by 2. First change the mixed fraction into the normal fraction. So how can we change? 3 into 2 6, 6 plus 2 8. So 8 by 3. Next 3 into 2 6, 6 plus 1 7 by 2. Now find the LCM of 8 by 3 and 7 by 2. Now see the denominator, find the LCM of 3 and 2, which is 6. Now we have to change the denominators as 6. So 8 by 3 into 2 by 2 will gives you 16 by 6. 7 by 2 into 3 by 3 will gives you 21 by 6. Right? Now we are going to add 16 by 6 plus 21 by 6 will gives you 37 by 6. Now how we will put a mixed fraction? Divide 37 by 6. Right? So 6 6 are 36. The divider, the quotient and the remainder. Right? 6 6 are 36. 36 plus 1 37 by 6. Next we are going to arrange the following in descending order. Descending order means from big to small. So 2 by 9, 2 by 3, 8 by 21. So denominators are different. So make the denominators as same. For that we have to find the LCM. LCM of 9, 3 and 21. First 3 table and again 3 table and again 7 table. If you multiply this, what we will get? 3 into 3, 9, 9 into 7. 9 into 7 will gives you 63. So 63 is the LCM of 9, 3 and 21. Right? So take the first fraction 2 by 9. See the denominator 9. 9 into 7 will gives you 63. So 7 by 7, 14 by 63. Next 2 by 3. 3 into 21 will gives you 63. So 2 into 21, 42 divided by 63. Next 8 by 21 into 3 by 3, which gives 24 by 63. Now the denominators are same. We can compare which is greater. So see which is greater one. 42 by 63, 24 by 63 and 14 by 63. Now write the original fraction. 42 by 63 is equal to 2 by 3. 24 by 63 is equal to 8 by 21. And 14 by 63 is equal to 2 by 9. Is it clear? Nothing we did. We made the denominators as same to making LCM. Then we find it out. A rectangular sheet of paper is 12 into 1 by 2 centimeter long and 10 into 2 by 3 centimeter wide. Find its perimeter. Right. We are going to find the perimeter of a rectangle. Right. First length. It is a mixed fraction. Make it as in a normal fraction. 12 into 2 24. 24 plus 1 25 by 2 centimeter. Next your breadth. 10 into 3 30. 30 plus 2 32 by 3 centimeter. Now what is the formula for perimeter? 2 into L plus B. So 2 into your length is 25 by 2 plus your breadth is 32 by 3. See the denominators are different. First we have to make the denominator as equal. For that we have to take LCM. So if we take LCM, 25 into 3 plus 32 into 2 by 6. So 75 plus 64 by 6. 2 into 139 by 6. 1 2 is 2. 3 2s are 6. So 139 divided by 3. If it is small fraction, easily we can make. Now we have to divide and make the mixed fraction. Thank you so much for watching this video. The remaining thing we will continue in our next class. Thank you so much.